Today I'm going to show you how I prevent ticks and mosquitoes, and that is permethrin. Now I use an odorless permethrin by a brand called Sawyer. You can find this on midwayusa.com. And today I'm going to talk you through why I use this and then show you how to apply it. So permethrin's not a topical treatment like a DEET or picaridin. It is meant to treat your clothing or other fabrics. The reason why it's not used as a topical treatment like DEET or picaridin is because permethrin breaks down very quickly when it's applied to your skin. So that's why you apply it to fabrics. Fully saturate it, give it time to dry, and then you get the lasting effects of permethrin for up to 6 weeks or 6 washes, whichever comes first. Permethrin protects you from ticks and mosquitoes, which are really the big ones because those are the ones that can transmit diseases, but it also protects you against 50 other insect species. This single bottle contains 4.5 fluid ounces, and it is meant to treat one outfit. Now, what consists of an outfit? For me, it's a pair of pants, a pair of socks, and a shirt. So depending on what you want to treat, you can kind of estimate how much permethrin you'll need. To apply permethrin, you first want to make sure that you are in a very well ventilated area. You're going to spray it in a sweeping motion about 6 to 8 inches from the fabric that you're treating. Continue spraying until the fabric is very saturated with the permethrin. And then you just need to let it dry, at least overnight, but it's recommended 24 hours. The treatment will last for 6 weeks or 6 washes, whichever comes first. And it's really the agitation from your washing machine that starts to break it down quicker. So if you want to try and extend the life a little bit longer, just hand wash and hang to dry. And permethrin is not just for clothing. You can also treat your backpacks, your tent, your sleeping bag, really anything that is a fabric, you can treat it. That is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out midwayusa.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one.